Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. Today we're going to be doing a crystal guided meditation to help increase and strengthen focus. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Shannon and I'm a certified Reiki master and teacher and a certified gemologist, and I combine those skills and passions to provide you with the knowledge, tools, and opportunities to practice incorporating crystal healing into your everyday life. And these situational guided meditations are a great way for you to use crystals and gemstones in a situation that you need support with. And this guided meditation is there to help you when you're feeling scattered or out there, or it's hard to focus on the task at hand. This is a meditation that will help bring you back to the present moment, back to your body, and help you focus and connect with what you need to do. Now, this is a meditation that I have often used after I've spent a lot of time during the day working on the computer. Usually at the end of the day, I feel kind of like my mind is broken into a million pieces and scattered all over the place. And it's really hard for me to get going on the next steps because I have dinner to make and kids to help and chores to do and everything at the end of the day. So often after I get off the computer, I sit with this guided meditation, and this can help you anytime that you're feeling disconnected or daydreamy, dizzy, kind of out there, and you want to come back and feel grounded and focused. This is the meditation for you. Now, this is a crystal meditation, but you don't need a gemstone with you to benefit from this guided meditation. It will still help you. But if you do have the gemstone, then it will just help you get into that space faster, more efficiently. And the gemstones that can help you with this are Hematite, Mahogany Obsidian, Smoky Quartz, and black Tourmaline. And today I am going to be working with Smoky Quartz during this guided meditation. So the only other thing that you'll need is a comfortable seat. So that could be on a cushion on the floor, in a chair, directly on the ground outside, which is especially helpful for a grounding and focusing meditation. Just as long as you can stay comfortable and alert for about 10 minutes while we go through this guided meditation. So if you have your gemstone and your comfortable seat, then let's get started. I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. If you haven't already, then pick up your gemstone and place that in your non-dominant hand. This is your receiving hand and will receive the energies of the crystal during this meditation. And bring your attention to what it feels like to breathe right now. Is your breath smooth and easy, tight, choppy? How does it feel right now? And then bringing your attention to those places on your body that connect to the cushion or the chair or the ground beneath you. feeling that strong connection to the earth below you. And remember that you are connected. You're sitting on top of the entire earth. The entire mass of the earth is supporting you. You're sitting directly over the center. And imagine that there are deep roots growing then from your legs down into the earth, providing you with support and stability. And then imagine energy flowing up from the earth through these roots, up and filling your body. And this will provide you with alertness and awareness. And then bring your attention to your physical body. And take note of the physical sensations you are feeling. Is there any discomfort, pain, or tightness in your body? What can your skin feel? Do you feel the touch of your hands against your legs against the chair, your clothes on your body, your hair on your head? Do you feel the wind against your skin? Or the temperature of the room or the air around you? Take another minute and check in with all those physical sensations. And then bring your awareness to sounds. What do you hear around you right now? Is there anything that you can smell? Maybe candles or incense in your room, or if you're outside, the grass or the dirt or the trees. And then, what emotions are you feeling right now? Then open your eyes and notice what you see around you, in your room or outside. Just take note of being here, in your space. Then close your eyes for a few more slow, deep breaths. And just appreciate being here right now. And when you feel ready, then open your eyes again. Thank you so much for joining me for this strengthening focus meditation. And hopefully once you've finished with this, that you're ready to move forward in your day, to do what needs to be done. And to continue doing what you were trying to do and then you felt scattered. I hope you found this useful. And if you are looking for more situation-based guided meditations, then do check out the whole playlist for situation guided meditations. And if you've been watching my videos and you enjoy them and you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe to the channel, because I talk about a different gemstone every single week, and you can get a really good idea of how crystals and gemstones can help you in your everyday life. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again during the next video.